Which resources coming from the north that Nigeria is benefiting? Mention one. Even the rice, the beans that you people think you are bringing, the tomatoes, you people are bragging, and the cow. The money you are using to produce all those things, where is it coming from? Is it from the north or from the east?
Have come out and attacked President Tinubu. They said, the resources as well going to the northern part of Nigeria is what Tinubu is using to invest in the southwest and in Biafra. What is your take on this?
I am happy that North is attacking Tinubu. And yes, I'm happy they are attacking him. And I am happy the way, the angle they are coming. Because before Tinubu get to the Aso Rock, their brother was there. You understand? And their brother too used the money that's supposed to go to the federal purse to do railway that carry train, push Nigerian money to Niger. And in Nigeria, we don't have water and we don't have road. The only road railway we have is the one north to Niger. I am happy that that the Aerofire too was there and he couldn't say anything. He supported his brother. And now the Northerners are coming out now to say the resources. Which resources coming from the north? I want to know.
No, they said,
which resources coming from the north that Nigeria is benefiting? Mention one. Even the rice, the beans that you people think you are bringing, the tomatoes, you people are bragging, and the cow. The money you are using to produce all those things, where is it coming from? Is it from the north or from the east? That is the question. And you have the guts to attack Tinubu that is using the money that's supposed to come to the federal purse and give east and west. You are blaming Mr. President for spending the money in the right place because that is the place where the money is coming from. It needs to be used and channeled in that same place. Yes, it has to be used and channeled there. If actually Mr. President is spending the money in the southeast, because I've not seen anyone. I'm yet to see all your claims and your accusations.
But Peter Mbah praised Tinubu when he got to when he went to Enugu. He said it's because of the free fund that they are getting. That's why he has been able to complete roads and everything. But because of the sit-at-home and insecurity in the southeast, the economy is not pushing. But because of Tinubu's agenda and policy, that's why he is able to complete the roads and other projects there in Enugu State.
Which project? And which road has he ever do?
So you don't know that it was road that Tinubu went to commission in the south.
Excuse me, my brother.
But people are saying
when you talk of people, somebody that work in the south is not Umba. Don't even mention Umba. You talk about OT.
After Umba.
You understand? Which road? Is it not the same way they went and painted aeroplane and present to Nigeria under Buhari that Nigeria have purchased aeroplane, not knowing that it was a scam? The old one that was repainted, the old road that patched, is what is presenting as the road that he built. Is it today when they hear all these things? We've known them. They cannot fool us. If they work, we are the one to say this person work. Not to them we come and say they work. You get it? So the Northerners are just out of their own selfish interest. Let me just tell you, they are not trying to accuse Tinubu because he's spending money in the east or west. If they are trying to push Tinubu and to accuse him because of the tax reform, they are looking for all means to bring Tinubu down for him to dance for their tunes, so that they will continue to squander the money that meant for Nigeria. They will continue to spend it and squander it only in the north. One time, Tinubu, during the time of Buhari, he went and borrowed 100 billion or trillion, whatsoever they mention it. And I remember there was a time, international bodies, the World Bank, God bless you, the World Bank free gave Nigeria 100,000 support, not loan. Millions, yes, millions, not loan. You understand? Freely they give to support. Buhari share, yes, Buhari spent 60% of it to the north. Then the other 40%, the others should share it. Is that how we should continue? You see why they are tackling Tinubu? They want they want that nonsense to continue. And this time around, those nonsense should stop. You see why they are fighting for against tax reform. Tax reform must stand. It must stand. Manage what you have.
Tinubu said no going back on this.
Yes. I love that. If you can truly stand. Not a Yoruba talk.
But the northern, allied are what are insisting that this will not fly.
Excuse me.
It will not fly. And Tinubu himself, we heard that is allegedly, through the back doors, begging these people.
I can't deny that. I can't say it is true. I can't say it's not true. Are you getting it? Yes. It is possible. One is a Yoruba. It's a Yoruba man. They are like that. They can do that. They are like that. It's part of them. It's their nature. You understand me? Number two, if it don't, do you know why I say it's possible? Because it's in 2027. He want to remain as a president. So there's every tendency of betraying, as usual, going to the bar and plead with them, and still come to the front and pretend. It's possible. And two, why I say it is 50-50. Because them two are tackling again. They're the one that put him in power. In INEC, they are the one. Presidency, they are the one. So all joined together, they give it to him. So now, he must not do anything against those that put him there. Remember, there's an adage that says, you don't bite the finger that do what? That feed you. You see the angle they are standing. So if he should go to the back to beg them, is their nature. I can't say it's a lie, and I can't say it's true. It is 50-50. And if he can stand on his gun and say, tax reform stand, that means truly he has seen it's going somewhere. He has seen that the North are not bringing anything to the table, but they enjoy most. So it is time that they should bring something to the table. It is time the Northerners should bring something. They should present something on the table.
But we've heard the Northern leaders also come out and say that it's time. One of the was it Governor Zulum that said, although this tax reform favors Lagos State as a state in this country, and at the same time, it's our time the Northerns come out and fight for themselves and work for themselves.
Yes. Not every time you sit down expecting money from the federal government, allocation that you never labored for. What are you bringing to the table? You are not bringing anything, but now you chop pass. That is laziness. That is idle. And that is why they have time to carry out this, their IC whatsoever they call themselves, Al-Qaeda, Boko Haram. There is the recent new one now. You understand? That's why because they have that time. Because they know that money, every month, money is coming from the source they never labored for. You understand? A free money. So definitely, They do anyhow, they behave anyhow. So it is the high time that they should work out, bring out something to the table. Let them see the way it is. Because the people where those resources is coming from are not enjoying it, they are not benefiting from it. Rather, they were marginalized. And you that owes nothing, that bring something to that bring nothing to the table, are the one enjoying. You have your freedom, you are marginalizing the people that is feeding you. How will you feel?
So lastly, there was a I've seen Igbo youth on social media come out and say that, you know, Tinubu came to Enugu on Saturday to commission roads, but why is he not coming to commission a federal project in terms of railway, in terms of what seaport? You know, for years the federal government has not brought that development, but now you've seen the youth, northern youth, come out to attack.
Northern youth.
Yes, come out to attack President Tinubu for, you know, for developing the southeast and the southwest, but there's not support according to what the Igbo. So the Igbo had to attack the northern youth and said, where are the major development that they are talking about?
Yeah, you know, like I said before, no development in the southeast. Then you see development west and the north. And the money which they are using to develop those places is from the east. So Tinubu traveled to commission a patch road, not a major road.
Not a major road.
Not a major road. It is a road that someone has built. And patch it. That is what Tinubu went to commission. If Tinubu, Nigeria truly wants development in the southeast, just like the youth have asked, what stops him from not coming to sign the project of seaport, an international airport, and other important things that will bring a major development in the southeast? Why not to go to Abia State to sign things and commission things? It's going to the people that not working, but of the same feather. Those that are against us, those that are against the development of the southeast, that is the people that Tinubu goes to, because they never want development. They are not wishing us well, and they don't want anything good for southeast. That's why he could go there. He cannot go to a place where people like a OT is trying to bring development to his people. He can't go there. So let the Arewas, Northerners or whatsoever should go and sleep. Let them go. God bless you. You see why I've been talking about these people? They have been fooling themselves. They have been lying. Then, if truly that the governor Peter Mba is speaking the truth, what is the essence of him begging Mr. President to give him more security? If he's speaking the truth, since people have freedom, they have free movement for over 1 year and nothing happened to them, why are you now asking for security more? That means he's lying. Yes, he's lying. That means they have been sit at home. Because Mba cannot secure people's life. Under his nose, under his watch, 17-year-old girl was raped by 5 Fulanis. Only one farmer who tried to rescue the girl was shot dead. That was last year, around May, June. What has he done till today? No, nothing, no news, nothing about it. Just towards either early this month or last month. Okay, that was last year too. We saw where a farmer in a farmland rice, where Fulanis with their gun. You understand? In the same Enugu, they surrender the farmer and the workers, and they order their cow to eat up the rice. And the rice was ate up by cows under the watch of Mba. I don't know, is Mba now asking Mr. President to give him security to fight Fulanis? Or to fight those for sit at home to come out by force from their house. I want to know the angle is coming out from, because if you say there is a free movement since 1 year, there will be no need of asking for more security, because they are secure. That is why they are coming out. They are well secure. There will be no need of asking for it. And let me tell you this. This is why I always hate things like this. People like this that cannot speak the truth. Today is Monday, my brother. I want you to channel your focus on Enugu State. Today is Monday. Then let's find out. Let's find out if truly Mba is speaking the truth or not. As I'm talking to you, Mba is sitting at home. People are sitting at home. People are already used to it. People are no longer worried nor bothered about it. It's no longer affecting them nor disturbs them. It's no longer stopping them for anything again. So why is it that Mba disturbing? Mba should stand up and disturb those Fulanis. Mba should stand up and do the right thing, do the needful. And let me tell you, Mba that said there is a free everything 1 year whatsoever. Have you forgotten, Mr. Mba Governor, when your filling station, when you deceive people, that they came out, and that your deceit led the people and your filling station to set ablaze up to today? Have you fixed it? Probably you might have fixed it because you are the governor. You can use people's money, you can use government money to fix it. That has been the system in the country. You understand? Well, you know what I am saying. If there is a pure security and people are moving, why should and why must your filling station set ablaze? And you didn't talk about.
But it didn't come out to.
You didn't talk about it.
We didn't. But although it was several reports that carried that.
Carried it. It's a pure thing. It's
that
pure
information,
thing.
but Peter Mba himself didn't come out and react as regards
yes, he's supposed to. He should have. Yeah, he's supposed to react, or he should have reacted.
It might not be his filling station. Do you know?
Who will tell you?
It's possible. It might not be his.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, it is his own. Because they cannot just wake up and attack some innocent people. You get it? If anything happen, they don't go against. See, you know, thank God that one of our brother came back from the East. Everybody peacefully. It's only when you look for their trouble, you see them. I have traveled. As I'm talking to you, my brother is at home. Everywhere is at peace. But they are just trying to target this IPOB or whatsoever. They are just trying to be tarnishing their image. And let me tell you, do you know why they kept on doing this? They don't want freedom to come to Biafra. For they know that they have messed up. They know that they are scared of their stand because they have air. You see why they are doing what they are doing today. You see why they keep doing what they are doing. And they continue doing what they are doing. But a day is coming. The truth will surely speak. They know they cover pregnancy. It's just for a while. You go everybody shoot outside. Okay? I just this was it some days, either yesterday or day before yesterday. I saw where Sanusi, after the attack of Aerofire to Tinubu, you understand, Sanusi came up either yesterday or thereabout, tackling Aerofire too, that he himself used 8 years using government money to pay Boko Haram. You understand? The other one, what is his name? Gumi, become the mouthpiece, the chief negotiator between terrorists and Nigerian government. And that is the country where we are in. CDS Musa is not looking at those people to do something. Then Simon Ekpan is the problem. And the so-called politician in the Southeast, are there all the way from north down to east to come and kill the people you're supposed to protect, and you didn't do anything. And look at what happened one time. They say we will look into it. We find out that up to today, what has happened? Nothing. Nothing. So let me tell you, my brother, leave this man. Leave this man. Nigeria, Mba, your people should mind what is minding you, face what is facing you. Leave IPOB alone. Sit at home is not a problem of Nigeria. Nigeria should sit down and look inside and see where their problem is coming from.
But why was Mba not telling President Tinubu to, do the needful by releasing Nnamdi Kanu?
Mba will not.
So the sit at home will stop across the south.
God bless you. That is the kind leader we have in the southeast. Selfish ones, self-centered. Because of their ego, they say that Nnamdi Kanu is a man speaking the heart of the people. And while them are selfish, speaking the heart of their own family and themselves. You understand? You see it. So they know that by the reason Nnamdi Kanu, when he speaks, even some of their agents that they are using, those ones that they are manipulating, some of them will pay attention to Nnamdi Kanu. They will turn their back against them. You see why they don't want to speak. You see why they don't want. And then let me tell you, all the stealing monies they are stealing in our state, in our place, they will not have that access again, because some things will stop. If Biafra come, my brother, all this money laundering, we will treat that fuck up. You see, that nonsense will stop, because they will not be given an opportunity to steal again, because you must give account of whatsoever that comes from your state. You must give account for that.
But a lot of people have come out and said that I don't know how true it is, that because Ngozi is about what? About including Tuesday to the sit at home. But a lot of people have come against this and said the Monday alone itself is causing more pains or havoc, to the people in the southeast. Then adding our own Tuesday, he said that's for Mondays for Ekpa. Adding our own Tuesday, will this not compile more woes for the people of the southeast?
Yes, that Tuesday on every Monday and Tuesday every week. No. On that area, on that side, no. She's a woman I love so much. But adding that Tuesday, let's hold on that. Let's hold on, Mama. Yes. Kudos to you. I love your energy. I love your mindset. I love your determination. I love your dream. I love your vision. But for now, let us hold on the one that is already on the ground and hold it more effective. You understand? So that let us not be doing something that we kind of later begin to piss our people off. You understand? We begin to piss. No. Let's maintain it. The people have already decided, they have admitted, they have accepted. Let's maintain it, because they have been maintaining it. Let's leave it there. That's my own humble advice. Yeah, leave it there. That Monday on is okay.